In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Instacart promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Instacart promo code. Right here, you'll have to select this website, which is coupon.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes and discounts. For example, if I want to get this $10 discount code, all I have to do is select the coupon code right here and copy this promo code. And if I use this one on my next purchase, I will be able to get this discount right here. So going back to our main search on Google, we also have this website, which is simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we have other promo codes and discounts that we can use. For example, if I want to get this the source a discount, all I have to do is select the use code right here and copy this code. So if I'm going to use this code on my checkout on my next purchase, I will get this discount right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.